Hi everyone, Simon Keeling here with your flying week and weekend ahead outlook, brought to you exclusively by Fly Magazine in association with weatherschool.co.uk. It's Monday the 20th of January. Thanks again for watching. And we're going to be in for a bit of a foggy week across the south. It's a tricky one to forecast this. Always difficult to know when and where fog is going to form and where fog is going to clear. I think what I can say is that northern areas probably breezier, so less chance of fog there. And I think more generally there's less chance of fog as we head into the latter part of the week and into the weekend. Now, we had a great weather school on Saturday. Thanks for those of you who came along. If you want to build your confidence in your own ability to predict things like fog and be able to have more confidence in the weather forecast that you're seeing, and know that the forecast that you see when you fly out to an airfield is going to be the same as the forecast you see when you come back, so build your trust in those forecasts, then you need to get yourself along to Aviation Weather School. I've got a single place available on my course on Saturday the 29th of February. So if you'd like that place, go to weatherschool.co.uk and you can book that up for yourself now. So that's Saturday 29th of February, Aviation Weather School Part 1. And what we do at Weather School, it goes from 10 AM till 4 PM. We spend a bit of time going through the various charts. We look up to 4 days in advance and plan your flying so that you can spot those all important weather windows. And I tell you how to forecast things like cloud tops and cloud bases, and give you hints and tips as to how you can make the weather work for you. So go to weatherschool.co.uk now. You can find more information there and book your place. Okay, as far as today's concerned then, fog looks like it's going to be a problem across many central parts of England and Wales. As I said, difficulty deciding exactly where this is. When it clears, I think it will clear more to haze than anything else. So slant visibility is not going to be great. Breezy conditions for Scotland and for the west of Ireland. Some drizzle down western parts of Scotland, but elsewhere it is going to be generally clear with some decent spells of sunshine. Now, overnight tonight, fog becomes a problem again across England, Wales and Ireland. Could be pretty dense in places, and I think it lasts well into Tuesday. Front 6 southwards through Scotland, bringing some cloud and outbreaks of rain across southern Scotland, across Northern Ireland, across northern parts of England. Marginal VFR conditions here. Bases around 2,500 feet, tops at about 7,000 or 8,000 feet. VFR across northern parts of Scotland. Once the fog clears, it does become more VFRable. But again, I think the problem we're going to face is slant visibility going to be really poor, and there will be quite a bit of haze around. Bit of a change for Wednesday, warm front across northern and western Scotland. This brings some drizzle across western Scotland and into western coast of Ireland, with the visibility being reduced here. We're going to be finding marginal to non-VFR, and I think it will be mainly non-VFR conditions, 1 to 2,000 foot bases, tops at about 8,000 feet. Elsewhere, again, fog is a problem. I think it lifts into low cloud, but I think for many of us Wednesday, I've got to be thinking about marginal conditions overall. Variable bases, variable tops, more cloud and reduced visibility. I'm thinking kind of 2 to 5 kilometres during the course of the day. Now, that could be wrong. Check the forecast nearer the time. Thursday, another one with fog. Again, potentially becoming a problem. Dense fog in the morning, slow to clear from England and Wales and southern parts of Ireland. Thicker cloud and some rain getting into northern and western parts of Scotland. Breezy conditions here with non-VFR conditions. I think probably Thursday, in places where the fog clears, it is more flyable, but I still think we're in for a murky day. For Friday, fog again is a problem across the south. Fog patches more likely and perhaps better in the afternoon. Cloud and rain, northern and western parts of Scotland, non-VFR conditions here. Bases probably around 2,000 feet, tops at about 12,000 feet. Where the fog clears, we generally VFRable, but visibility 5 to 10 kilometres overall. And then for Saturday, a weak cold front passing its way southeastwards through Scotland, through central parts of Ireland, bringing marginal conditions here. Bases around 1 to 2,000 feet, tops up at about 12,000 feet. Watch for some embedded Q-NIMS along that as well. Few tops at 15,000 feet. To the south of that, could still be some fog patches across southeastern England at first. They'll clear, and then most of the day becomes generally VFRable, and it gets VFRable across northern and western Scotland behind the front. And then for Sunday, could see a return to fog across the south, but for most other areas, it's looking reasonable. However, do check back in Thursday's forecast for a full update on that one. Okay, I'll leave you with that for now. Don't forget to check out weatherschool.co.uk. Come along to Aviation Weather School on Saturday the 29th of February. Build your confidence in your own ability to make your own forecasts and trust those that you're seeing from official service sources. It really is a fun day and it'll be great to see you there. Okay, I'll leave you with that for now. We'll update the forecast on Thursday as usual, but whatever you're doing, thanks again for watching. Keep the sun shining and bye for now.